To be my hero. All the days you spent with me. Now it seems so far away and it feel like you don't care anymore. And how I try hard to make it, I just want to make it you proud. I'm never gonna be good enough for you. I can't stand another fight. And nothing alright, cause we lost it all. And nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late. And we can't go back. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Nothing gonna change more than you said. Nothing gonna make this right again. Please don't turn your back. I can't believe it's hard just to talk to you.
Ano rin yung pinagagawa sa buhay kala mo?
Ay, asan na ito?